Hi folks, this is Marc with Marc's Mobility. We're doing a review today on a Quantum Edge 2.0 power chair with electric tilt, electric recline, electric feet. 3 functions. Good afternoon folks, this is Marc with Marc's Mobility. We're doing a demonstration today on a nice power chair. It's a Quantum Edge 2.0. It has 36 miles on it, so that equals to about 2 months of usage. 36 miles is less than 2 months of usage. This one has electric tilt, electric recline, electric feet. No seat lift. So again, tilt, recline, and legs. It has other features as we'll go along, we'll explain. So if you want the seat to tilt or do all that, you got to go through the joystick on this one. So you go to the button on the left side where you turned it on, and you're going to keep going forward until you see a picture of your seat. As soon as you see a picture of the seat of the chair on your screen, whatever portion is yellow is the portion that's going to be working for you. So right now the bottom is yellow and the back is yellow. That would be tilt. So now if I leave it there, yellow bottom, yellow back, and I use my joystick, you can see the seat starting to tilt back, okay? So this tilting, as you can see the arms do flip up, is great if you want to relieve pressure off your bottom, pressure off your back. You want to have circulation in your legs. You would just tilt the seat back like this. So if you just want to sleep, and you can stop anywhere you want. Look at that, folks. The next thing I'm going to show you is the feet. So I'm going to get the feet yellow. Now remember, these chairs are adjustable. If you're 5 feet tall or 6'3", 100 pounds, 280 pounds, we can change the cushion, we can make the seat larger, we can adjust the back, we can adjust the legs. All of it is adjustable. Look at this, folks. You definitely would have your feet up in the air, wouldn't you? Now, that's a little extreme, but let me show you. If you're only halfway tilted, even here, folks, your feet are still higher than your body right there, okay? So I just want to show you don't have to go all the way back. And by the way, folks, if you ever have a red X on your screen, you see a red X in your screen, that just means you're too tilted or too reclined to drive. The chair will not drive if you're too far back or too far reclined. You need to bring the back up or bring the tilt down, and when that red X goes away, it'll be a round green circle. That means you're good to go, okay? Just in case, because I've got quite a few calls on those. The next thing I'm going to show you is called the electric recline. The electric recline is when the back goes back by itself, okay? This is called electric recline. So if you just need to lay flat, there we go. And the noise you hear back there is this little plastic box. So this is how it would look like if you were flat on your chair. And as you can see, you can transfer from the side without any obstructions. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to do 2 things at once. I'm going to bring the legs down and bring the back up. You can do that. Put the back yellow and the legs yellow, and look. They're both coming up. Well, one's coming down, one's coming up. These chairs are engineered so good now. From 30 years ago when I started to now, it's incredible the difference in these chairs. The ride, the suspension, the comfort. But let me show you, if you're in the house, this is your turning radius in the house. Look at this. This chair turns on itself, look. Because it has 6 wheels, you can see the front and back wheels are following the drive wheels. Look at that, they're turning. This chair stays in place. Let's look at the base on the chair since we've done the seat first today. So the base on this chair is very simple. It's a mid-wheel drive, so that means your drive wheel, which is your big wheel, will be in the middle of the 2 wheels. So it may not be exactly in the middle, it would have to be right here, but it's close enough. This is a mid-wheel drive. You're always going to have a wheel on the ground in front and a wheel on the ground in the back, just to keep the suspension. That's what gives you that nice turning radius, okay? These are solid tires, they're not going to mark your floor. You have anchor points that are tied directly to the frame. You can see these are the good ones. One here, one here. You have 4 of these anchor points. This is where you secure your chair if you're going to transport it. You have a motor for each wheel. So that motor is for this wheel, and there's a motor over there too on the other side. This motor is connected directly to the wheel. There's no chain, no belts, no mess, no noise, no maintenance, okay? Direct to the wheel. Now, this chair probably weighs 375 pounds. if you had an issue with the chair and you had to push it, because let's just say something happens, the chair weighs it's too heavy to push, too heavy to lift. But if you put it in neutral, so you would turn the power off, and the reason you want no power in the motor, you don't want no resistance. Power is off. You see this yellow lever right here? Push it down, and now you're in neutral. You have to do both motors, okay? That's how easy it is to put it in neutral. When you're done, put it back in gear, turn your power back on, and you're ready to go again, okay? The chair also has what's called a swing away joystick. So if you want to get close to a dining table without hitting the joystick, you can just push it to the side and get a lot closer. This one also comes with a drain cup holder that's removable, as you can see. This one also has lateral chest pads right here. These can be removed and they can be taken off, okay? They can be adjusted. Now I'm 6 foot tall, you'll see in the video, it fits me perfect, okay? But they can also be removed. This keeps you in the middle. So if you have a person who leans to one side or the other, this will keep them in the middle of the seat. This is custom. Safety belt. Now the seat is 18 by 18, but that doesn't really matter because we can change the seat size. So whoever buys this chair, we're going to get your height, your weight, how tall your legs are, and your torso, and all that. It also has back here an adjustable headrest, and this is a custom headrest. Okay, you can see all the adjustments right here, 1, 2, 3. But also with this headrest, you can see right here, there's a silver rod in here. So this headrest right here, if I can do it, you can go all the way to close. So if you want to squeeze someone's ears, you can adjust this headrest. This is a really, really expensive headrest because it's fully adjustable for someone's head. So if you have someone that has trouble keeping their head in here, you can also squeeze them a little bit more, and it would stay in there. It's an adjustable headrest. Also with this chair, we have what's called an attendant control. So if you have someone who can't drive the chair, you would take this and you would switch the controls right here, right there. And now it's no longer available here. You can see it's not going to move, but I can use it here and I can go forward right from here. Okay. I can do everything from here that I can do from there, even the seat elevation. So this is an attendant control. You can have it in your hand or you can leave it here and you can put your hand on the headrest and drive it this way. This is already part of this chair. It can be taken off if you don't want it. It just disconnects from the brain box. So, and that's about it. I don't think there's anything else. I want to talk to you about the suspension on this chair. Whoop, I got to switch it over. Now we're back to here. I got to do this one. There we go. Give it a second. Turn it back on. My bad, I did everything backward. All right, so I forgot I was going to tell you now. Oh, the suspension. You see this big shock right here? That's for this suspension for this fork in front. There's another big shock on the other side. But look at the back of the chair. I'm going to make it go a little faster here. The back of the chair has the same suspension right here. That suspension is adjustable. You can adjust that suspension. You can tighten up that shock and make it looser. The back is independent suspension. If I raise this side, you'll see the other side stays on the ground. Independent suspension. This chair weighs, close to 400 pounds. This is why it has such a good ride. When you charge the batteries on this chair, you'll take your charger like this and you'll plug it right here, right below here. And as soon as the light goes to full, then the charger will start charging. So, let's recap what we have here. We have a Quantum Edge 2.0 power chair with 36 miles, so it was used less than 2 months. It has electric tilt, electric recline, electric feet. It has the solid tires, the anchor point. It has the suspension we talked about, the swing away joystick, the flip up arm, the lateral chest guard, the safety belt, the headrest, the attendant control, the drink cup holder. We can customize this chair to your body size. So give us a call and we'll be glad to help you out with this. So this is the Quantum Edge 2.0 power chair. 6 miles an hour is the top speed. And you can see it really moves really good. It's really smooth. Of course, it's a high-end power chair. It should be smooth. And when you let go, as you notice, it brakes automatically. Right now, it's not going to move, even though it's still on. You can see I can still go back, but once it stops, it's in gear, okay? You can use the joystick as a gas pedal. So if I just push it a little bit, I'm barely moving. If I go all the way like a gas pedal, I can go any speed I want, or you can reduce the speed right here. So these high-end power chairs are made for comfort. You can tell when you turn, you can feel the suspension on the chair when you turn. As you can see in the grass, it has no problem in the grass. Even when I'm turning, I'm not losing any speed in the grass. And when I stop, again, as I was telling you, it brakes automatically. So this one here has electric tilt, electric recline, and the electric feed. It has the cup holder. It has a swing away joystick. And remember, these chairs are fully adjustable, so we can adjust the seats on these chairs if you need more seat. This one also has the lateral support, which are perfect for me, but these can be taken off. It keeps me right in the middle. There's no leaning because these are right each side of my chest right here. So it does come with that, and it has the anchor point. And this one has 36 miles. It was used maybe 2 months, practically brand new. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.